Hello guys, what's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to do the unboxing of the brand new Lenovo laptop which is recently launched by the Lenovo in the S series. So today we are going to do the unboxing of this laptop and have a look at it, what it has. So let's just start. I have just opened it up for not wasting our more time, and let's set it up. So here's our laptop first, and as you can see, these are some paperworks and warranty guide. And we also get a charger in the box. Here's the charger. Let me show you the ratings. The autofocus will allow me to show it. As you can see, here are some ratings of it. So guys, it has the gray metallic finish here. It's not actually metallic, but it's plastic. Here is, as you can see, this is like shining, the Lenovo branding right here. Let's talk about the ports. It has a power port, one HDMI port, a USB 2.0 port, and two USB 3.0 port. And here, as you can see, this is the LED indicator for the power on off. Here you get the SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Novo button. Now let's just open this up, and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch full HD display with a 0.3 megapixel camera right here. As you can see, this comes with the AMD Ryzen 3 processor and the Radeon Vega 3 graphics card, which I purchased. Okay, it has other models too, okay, but I have purchased this one. Here, as you can see, this is like a chiclet style keyboard. Now let's just boot up this laptop. Here, as you can see, the Lenovo branding. So guys, this is the screen. As you can see, this is the screen, full HD. Now I have some pre-installed applications in it. Let me show you some specs right here. It can give you a decent battery backup of around 4 hours, I think. So guys, this is the overall review of this laptop. So that's it for this videos. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and Subscribe to channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. With